Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have the wind thickness planer here. It's 2-blade, and I have ran it through the mill time and time again, and it's time to change the blades on it. I just wanted to show you. It's very simple to do. So the tools are already here. You have an Allen key, and there's two Allen keys right here, 2 bolts. And this just pops right off. You want to take these are little magnets. Use them to remove your blade. To spin your blade, press down if it locks, which mine is locked. Press down here and it spins. And it'll lock back. Then you take your Allen key, your T-handle, and you unscrew all of these. Very simple. I do the last one. I leave the center one in here. And try to lift it up slowly. Now press this down, push it back a little bit so I can see the blade. Take these 2 magnets, insert them, pick up. If it won't lift up all the way, you gotta continue to back out the screws until they'll get your blade out. And that's it. These have already been used once. I drew a red line on it to say that it was dull, and then I'll draw another red line on this one to make sure that I don't reuse it. The good thing is Harbor Freight sells the 12.5-inch planer knives, so they're fairly cheap, and same thing inserting it. You can do it by hand, but also use the magnet if you need to. Then you just press down, get your Allen key, screw it back in. And you do the other side. Just rotate it, press down on this, rotate it until it locks, and then continue on. Once you have the other side completely done, insert your shroud back in there. 2 screws. Tighten them down. Don't over tighten them because this is just plastic and it could break. Put your little magnets back where they go. That's it. Screw this back in and you're ready to plane again.